A table, a chair, a bowl of fruit and a violin. What else does a man need to be happy? Nothing is impossible. The word itself says I'm possible.
Hope is like the sun, which, as we journey toward it, casts the shadow of our burden behind us. Hope in reality is the worst of all evils because it prolongs the torments of man. Do not spoil what you have by desiring what you have not. Remember that what you now have was once among the things you only hoped for. We must free ourselves of the hope that the sea will ever rest. We must learn to sail in high winds. A little more persistence, a little more effort, and what seemed hopeless failure may turn to glorious success. The price of success is hard work, dedication to the job at hand, and the determination that whether we win or lose, we have applied the best of ourselves to the task at hand. Always be yourself, express yourself, have faith in yourself. Do not go out and look for a successful personality and duplicate it. Victory has 1,000 fathers, but defeat is an orphan. Strive not to be a success, but rather to be of value. Success is to be measured not so much by the position that one has reached in life as by the obstacles which he has overcome. Learn from yesterday, life for today, hope for tomorrow. The important thing is not to stop questioning.
The most important thing is to enjoy your life, to be happy. It's all that matters.